Urgent warning, a terrifying journey awaits you. Today on Protect Nature, we take you through 60 haunting moments of natural disasters, from violent earthquakes that shake the ground to tsunamis that sweep away everything in their path. These are not just terrifying images, but also profound reminders of the devastating power of nature. Watch now with Protect Nature, because our safety and the responsibility to protect the planet cannot be taken lightly. Too terrible. The giant tornado carrying dust is covering the forest. The destructive power of the flood is sweeping away everything it passes through. Huge upstream floodwaters at a river in China. A giant boulder is rolling down the hillside. Hopefully, no damage is done. The storm was so big that it blew off the factory roof. The forest fire is so big, the fire is very close to residential areas. The flash flood is chasing the little donkey. Hope he is safe. Too dangerous. The wood truck just overturned. Hope the driver is safe. The flood is sweeping away cars. It's so strong. The tornado seemed to want to sweep away the coconut trees on its way. Oh, the storm is really terrible. It's very dangerous if we go outside. Oh my God, that car just exploded on the highway. This is really terrifying and dangerous. This is a city after experiencing a huge tsunami recently. It's horrifying. The sky is raining, and I feel scared about this scene. Oh my God, a big wave is approaching the boat. Run away from there as fast as you can. Oh my God, the mountain is collapsing onto the highway and it's dangerous if they're driving. The flood is going through this city, and there are many cars that are badly damaged. Oh my God, the road is cracking and collapsing very fast. Get out of there now. Oh, the road is falling down very fast. I'm worried about the people moving below. Oh my God, the mountain is falling and there are lots of cars below. Oh my God, that lightning struck the house. I hope everyone in there is okay. This is the scene of a volcano just erupted, so magical. Oh my God, that lightning just struck the sea right in front of me. It was dangerous. It was dangerous. Lightning continuously struck the water at high speed. It's unbelievable. This is a giant block of ice melting. Another nearby iceberg melted. The sight made my hair stand on end. Oh my God, those houses near the sea are being hit by huge waves. Oh my God, the storm was so big, it flooded everything and blew the house away. This is a tourist area after experiencing a terrible big wave last night. Terrible. Oh my God, the flood is coming at lightning speed. It's a really huge tornado. I advise you to run away and don't go near it. It's dangerous. We can see the tornado clearly on the left side of the road. Stay away from it. The flood has submerged everything and is still continuing at a very fast pace. Oh my God! The storm came so fast and so fierce, everyone was trying their best to hold on. Oh my God! The flood is sweeping everything away in the city. It's dangerous. The wave was majestic when we saw it so close. It was magical. It was terrible. The wave came in and almost submerged the house. This giant sandstorm is too dangerous and we need to turn back. Now! Oh my God, this sandstorm is moving so fast. This is dangerous. Oh, this is the scariest looking sandstorm I have ever seen. It makes the sky so dark. A huge tornado is hitting the shopping mall. Everything is in chaos. This tornado formed very quickly and began to sweep through shortly after. Oh my God! The big wave is coming towards them. Run now! Wow, this glacier is so majestic. It seems to be melting at a faster rate. Oh my God! This house is falling down very fast. Oh, the house is falling apart and falling in flames. We shouldn't be near here. Oh my God, that's a big smoke. It's dangerous. We should stay home now. The flood was so big that it passed through the village. A house was swept away by the flood. It was terrible. Oh, this bridge is trying to withstand the big flood. It seems impossible as the flood gets bigger and bigger. The huge wave is coming inland. It's spectacular. Thank you for joining Protect Nature in this journey to discover these terrifying and haunting natural disasters. The dramatic moments we have just experienced not only remind us of the terrible power of nature, but also urge us to take strong action to protect the environment and always be ready to face any emergency situation. If you find this video useful, don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming, exciting content. Let's act together now to protect the Earth, our only home. See you in the next video of Protect Nature.